Top 10 Best Product Reviews. Read reviews, see top 10 lists. Compare price and buy only best products. Do you want to see price comparison like this? Best products handpicked from e-commerce websites. See price comparison like this for various products. From Amazon, Flipkart, Snapdeal, Paytm. Explore top 10 list, compare price, and buy only best products. How this list of top 10 best products is made. Extreme research done online in various shopping sites. Products having highest ratings are only handpicked. Most popular items having ratings of 4 or more are only considered. Products having excellent reviews are segregated and made this list. It may take 2 to 3 hours to search various online websites. So, here based on ratings and reviews, 10 best products are listed. Symphony Air Coolers comes with tons of excellent features. iPure technology with multi-stage purification is used. Symphony Air Coolers uses Duora pump technology for greater durability and long life. Has empty water tank alarm. Honeycomb cooling pad for enhanced cooling. Channelized water distribution and superior cooling. Powerful air throw with auto swing. Full function remote with timer. Feather touch digital control panel for ease of use. Large tank capacity for uninterrupted cooling. Whisper quiet performance so you get sound sleep. These coolers also works on an inverter power supply. SMPS technology protects coolers from voltage fluctuations. So, what are you waiting for? Grab one of the best product from this top 10 list. Also see today's lightning deals. Check description for links to price comparison, detailed reviews, offers and deals. What comes to your mind when you hear of Symphony Diet? It automatically creates a lean, maintained perception of some sorts in your head. This is what Diet range from Symphony brings to you. Diet 35T is a very productive air cooler and is ideal for medium room. With a water-occupying capacity of 35 liters, this air cooler is suitable for advantageous cooling of spaces in your environment. It's powered by a high-efficiency honeycomb pad and ice chamber. This is your coolest buddy who stands by you, all through the heat. Its multi-directional wheels undoubtedly make it your go-to cooler for any space. Diet 35T is absolutely lavish when giving you the coolest breeze you crave for. Symphony Jumbo 51-liter air cooler suitable for large and big room. Large cooling pad area for superior cooling and powerful 18-inch fan. It also comes with cooler stand. Always allow for cross ventilation in your room, else cooler won't work effectively. What comes to your mind when you hear of Symphony Diet? It automatically creates a lean, maintained perception of some sorts in your head. This is what Diet range from Symphony brings to you. Diet 50i is a very productive air cooler and is ideal for medium room. With a water-occupying capacity of 50 liters, this air cooler is suitable for advantageous cooling of spaces in your environment. It's powered by a high-efficiency honeycomb pad and ice chamber. This is your coolest buddy who stands by you, all through the heat. Its multi-directional wheels undoubtedly make it your go-to cooler for any space. Diet 50IA is absolutely lavish when giving you the coolest breeze you crave for. Presenting Siesta 70, an all-new powerful desert cooler with specially designed front grille for maximum air delivery. Unmatched aesthetics, very large 70-liter tank capacity for long uninterrupted cooling. The all-new Siesta 70 is here to rule the market. Get ready to be thrilled with its performance. Now who'll not want a Siesta? Always allow for cross ventilation in your room, else cooler won't work effectively. Symphony brings you Winter ATXL easy-to-move coolers that make your life comfortable. You can easily transport the portable cooler to any corner and feel the breeze as it cools your place. It has whisper quiet performance, cool flow dispenser. Also has 4-side honeycomb pads, strong wheels for easy mobility. It's fitted with powerful 18 inches fan and its electricity consumption is 185 watts. This cooler is the ideal choice for the cooling requirements of relatively smaller spaces. It comes with a blower that gives out powerful blasts of air. Turn it on and breathe new life into your home. It has cool flow dispenser, large pad area for superior cooling, powerful blower with 3-speed motor, automatic vertical swing. Its water capacity is 41 liter. Its power consumption is 95 watts. The future of air cooling is here. Yet another innovation from Symphony, the world's largest brand in air cooling. Symphony Touch 80 is loaded with new age features like 6 honeycomb pads, fully closable louvers and cassette-type removable pads that are unheard of in the domain of air cooling. With its stunning looks, 4-side cooling pads and powerful cooling aided by double blower, this technological marvel will surely lure you to touch it. It's available in 35 liters and 55 liters. Symphony Jumbo 70-liter air cooler suitable for large and big room. Large cooling pad area for superior cooling and powerful fan. It also comes with cooler stand. Always allow for cross ventilation in your room, else cooler won't work effectively.
This Symphony air cooler is a personal cooler. Suitable for spot cooling or cooling smaller spaces, wide in your room. Capacity. It has multi-directional wheels for easy movement. High-efficiency honeycomb pads for better cooling. Air throw distance is 37 feet. Its power consumption is 170 watts. You will get 1-year warranty. This cooler has blower for powerful air delivery. It's most important to always allow for cross-ventilation room, else cooler won't work effectively. This cooler is Amazon bestseller in tower air coolers. If you want to buy compact personal cooler, blindly go for this cooler.
Symphony High Cool Air Cooler, with remote control and iPure technology is the most popular and best-selling cooler. Symphony High Cool is a personal air cooler suitable for cooling medium room. It gives you maximum comfort and amazing multi-stage air purification. It comprises 5-stage filter against dust, smell, allergy, bacteria and wash filter. It consumes only 185 watts energy. This air cooler is an energy-saving resource while also complementing an eco-friendly outlook and against voltage fluctuations. This cooler has amazing features. Multi-stage air purification. It has amazing dust filter, smell filter, allergy filter and bacteria filter. Full function remote control, powerful air throw with auto swing, empty water tank alarm, honeycomb pads for better cooling, water release, plug water overflow outlet. Cooler fan has 3-speed settings, low, medium and high speed setting. Explore top 10 best products in various categories. Highly rated, reviewed top 10 best-selling products. Handpicked from various e-commerce websites like Amazon, Flipkart, Snapdeal, Paytm etc. Explore from kitchen appliances, baby products, shoes, wet grinders, gas stoves, kitchen chimney, washing machines, air coolers and many more products. Visit my website and see top 10 lists, compare price and buy only best products. Check description for links to my blog. Thanks for watching this video. Like this video and share it to your friends. Subscribe to my channel and get notified about new videos.